is that? A crack?
Oh well, don't mind if I do. Ah, my back is broken. My son must have stepped on a crack. Oh my god. Honey, are you okay? No, my back is broken. Oh no, I wonder who could have done it. Wait a minute, I think Johnny must have stepped on a crack and broke your back. Ooh, that boy is in so much trouble when he gets home.
That was funny!
Johnny, may I ask you something? Sure, Dad. What's up? What do you have to tell me? How dare you step on a crack and break your mother's back? Are you stupid? Wait, how did you find out? Because I saw your mom in the living room crying, and it made me think it was you. Oh. You're so grounded, and you're gonna get a beating. Take your behind to your room. Oh no!